Cheers, my friends. It's Wednesday morning here, and a nice little middle of the week treat. Boy, I tell you, are we gonna keep on going? Is this gonna be a repeat of the last 2 weeks where Monday, Tuesday were basically sell-offs? Some of them Tuesdays were bullish, I believe, the beginning of bullish, and then Wednesdays, Thursdays were the pumps. Hopefully, it's Wednesday today. Hopefully, we can see some pump action. Altcoins have been, doing their thing. But I tell you what, this chop for the last 2 days has chopped me. Man, it's I'm to the verge of insanity over here. So hopefully we see we see these low time frames right now bleed into the high time frames. We're gonna take a look at everything, but man, I don't know. I don't know here. I'm feeling a little queasy, and I hope I'm wrong. But I don't know, folks. I don't know. So, anyways, let's take a look. See here. So, okay, here. The 10-minute here on Bitcoin. Okay. So we have our 4 yellow X's. Is this a 4 yellow X strategy? We have the money flow coming up, RSI's coming up. We got in this video an hour left until the market opens. So a lot can happen then. And the moves have been happening super fast. And while that's all fine and dandy, Ethereum is really what I've been trading. And my gosh, it's I personally, hopefully people have been doing well. If you've been trading, maybe you've been short and patient, but I haven't been. I've just been getting chopped when and frustrated. Fortunately, our trade groups, haven't taken any major detrimental losses in the last couple days. With it, we've been keeping it tight. But we'll see. Here we are I got the moons pulled up, and we are about to have a blue moon, I believe, which I believe is bearish. Look how much we've come up. This is when I sent my friend a message that things were going to pop off here, and we've gone up. Oh my God. 50%. We've gone up 50% in 2 weeks. Damn, I know I've done well, but I would have done better if I just cryptoed a $20 million Ethereum trade. That would have been 10 mil. Damn. It's I'm telling you, the swing traders are really the way to do it. I should have held that. I should have just longed and stayed the course, but it's easier said than done, man. And I like being active. I don't know why I'm not trading with 2 separate accounts like I always pre-trade now. Foolish. I'm a fool. Acting like a tool. So anyways, now Ethereum, the monthly, obviously still looking great. The monthly still looking great. What does the 2 week look like? 2 week. Oh boy, nothing really see there. The weekly looking just fine. And even though this VWAP oscillation is coming down, a VWAP oscillation can diverge on bigger time frames. It's got plenty of time. As a VWAP oscillation is coming down, price can still boom, run up. Although, really, this actually look at this. No, the move happened, and this stayed sideways and then down and up. So this might actually be sideways, down and up. Shit. It can diverge for a little bit here. Shoot. Yeah, and we've called the moves coming up, but maybe we have to walk away for a couple weeks, man. I might have to go on vacation for a couple weeks. This chart's too messy. I might have to go on vacation for a couple weeks before I go crazy. Yeah, okay, we got the blue moon coming up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Now, let's take a look-see here. What are our spot? And we're still in the trifecta spider lines on Bitcoin. The RSIs are red. The red RSIs are so important right now. You know, when we're looking at this, look at the basic strategy on Bitcoin here, on the 4-hour here. Choppy as hell. Choppy momentum. Red RSIs, mid-range red RSIs. No bueno. If we're looking for this to continue up, that's no bueno. That's not what we want to see. You know, as compared to this, you know, tight green RSIs, boom, and then, you know, when the RSIs turn red, they can still run. But look how much better these RSIs are. They're nice and tight and up high compared to, you know, look at right here in this price action compared to now it's gapped and weird compared to this price action. A couple of blood diamonds firing off. Jeez. Now, when we look at the 2-hour, okay, RSI's green and close together, but it's in this mid-range area. And so what we need is we need this. This could be some inward curvature on all of our indications here. I'm seeing inward curvature on our indications here with the RSIs, with the money flow and momentum. We need Wednesday. We need today to pop off and set shit right. We do have a little bit of hope here on the 2-hour. We have an hourly curve VWAP oscillation. Momentum potentially look like it's clipping. In fact, let's zoom in on that. Okay, so we are clipping right here. We are against a spider line support right here. So there's hope for Wednesday. But how much? How much hope? Is it breakout hope or is it's a good Sunday? Guess we're going to find out. Guess we're going to find out. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look, see here. The USDT dominance, okay? The USDT dominance. I saw people posting this on Twitter. The dominance of USDT is coming down, so obviously people are spending their USDT. And as we zoom in here, money flow coming up a little bit here, coming up a little bit there. Yeah, whatever. I was never a big dominance-looking guy. I never was really into Bitcoin dominance and the dominance charts. So whatever. The moon charts, I'll mess with. I'll use the moon charts. The moon charts have been fire lately, and I believe the next full moon, we got some time. So what? We got a blue moon coming up anytime here, and then like another full moon. When is that? In August? Early mid-August. All right. Let's take a look at some altcoins. What are some altcoins looking like? Maybe see now, are altcoins going to go up while everything else goes down? You know, is that possible? Is it possible for shitcoins to go up while Bitcoin and Ethereum go down? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. A little euphoric right now. And I'm not saying it's all over. I'm just saying that we might have to ease off for a couple weeks. No, Bitcoin's not 150,000. When did I say that? A week ago, I said we got 2 weeks for 150K Bitcoin. Looks like I'm going to be falling on that sword. Was that 2 weeks ago or was it a week ago? Hopefully it was a week ago, but it doesn't matter. Fall on the sword. Solano. Okay, a little trigger wave right there. Looking like on a shorter time frame. And no real tells here. No real tells here. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, okay. What are the hourlies looking like? Solana not looking too shabby. It definitely looks better than Ethereum. Than what Ethereum's showing with the RSIs and whatnot. What about XRP? Yeah, hopefully Wednesday saves the day. Man, hopefully Wednesday saves the day. Jeez. But grass is in the field. You know what I'm saying? The money flow is so high. But this is 6 hour. Okay, XRP. What's the 6 hour on Bitcoin looking like? I mean, we're grass is in the field. We're playing ball. Do have these trigger waves here. We do have trigger waves here. Yeah, I think today's gonna be very telling. There's a small amount of hope here. But listen, I'm hoping things keep going up. But I also know that sometimes, well, not even sometimes, all the time, in these runs, there'll be 2 weeks on, 2 weeks cool off, couple weeks on, couple weeks off, where it's chop and consolidation. And it's adjusting to the environment. That's what I'm struggling with right now. I'm still in swing face mode when it just completely changes to scalp in and out in moments mode. And with the trade groups, the copy group specifically, it's impossible to do because you have to enter in multiple times to get at the whole position. It's too many groups, too much shit going on. And so it's like, the strategies have to change. When the environment changes, the strategies have to change. And you know what? I don't like it just as much as the next guy. I'm ready. I'm ready to do a $1 million altcoin portfolio. I took the money off the account, got it loaded, ready, fired and ready. I've been tweeting about it, been getting 100,000 views, 100K views on these posts. Look at this. Look at these. Where are they at here? Look, $1 million tender. Every time you mention altcoins, 100K views, almost 1,000 replies. That's insane. That's insane. Where was the other one? 100K views, almost 1,000 replies. Talking about, give me your best altcoins. And man, when you take a look at these, they're so bad. They're horrible. They're horrible. It's all like stuff you never heard of. Like, where do you even get this stuff? You know what I'm saying? Jesus, hilarious. Yeah, like, what is this? What is Cisco? What, like, really, dude? Like, what? People are riding Flare Networks. What the hell is that? UFD, PTGC. What the hell is this? UFD. Alf. Super, like, man. That's a good one. Yeah, I mean, you got to keep it. I'm just going to keep my altcoin portfolio boring. XRP and shit. Cardano actually looking good. Pepe, maybe. Look at this. Garbage. This is garbage. Oh, here, a guy here gave me a little list here. Look at this. Like, this one's not so bad. This one's not so bad. Even he has some weird ones in here. Like, what's Send? Tao's always been shitty. I feel like Tao's. I mean, that's a better shitcoin than, these weird unicorn things. UFD. What the hell is that? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? A lot of UFDs. What's UFD? Okay. Yeah, what? Where? UFD. Okay. What is this? Damn, this is a 3 hour. So this thing's just been, yeah, this is a good scam. This is a good little scam. It's a good little scam. That's not so bad. That's not so bad. When did this launch? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, no wonder why you guys are asking so hard to join UFD. Look how bad you guys are doing. You're still down 85%. No wonder. You know what I saw pop off? Spark. I saw that one. I don't know what this is, but man, this thing, what the hell is this? Oh my God, it pumped again tonight. Oh, I was going to buy some. Oh my God, oh my God. It was just at 10 or 9 cents. I was looking to short it. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to buy some of this. Screw it. Holy hell, you're telling me it's gone up 30%? Wow. Damn. Damn. Jeez. Let's see here. Let's enhance here. Let's see. How can we take advantage of these opportunities? Okay. So check this out. 5-minute on market cipher. You want to learn how to buy meme shit coins? 5-minute trend. Look at the trend. Every time. Red, 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 red. Okay, what happens each time? Let's back up here. Let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Oh, look, here's another one. Okay. Look, red, red. Okay, let's keep going. All right, here we go. Okay, so it's in the red, buy, pump. Comes in the red, buy, pump. Comes in the red, buy, pump. Jeez, oh my gosh. In the red, buys, pump. In the red, buy, pump. In the red, buy, major pump. Leading indications. I mean, this is it. You can just buy this shit coin every time. And these trends, the 5-minute, every time. Dips in the red, buy, boom, pump. This is insanity. Wow. Hopefully it's not too late. Yeah, but anyways, hopefully Wednesday comes in to save the day today. I got a icky feeling. Hopefully it's wrong. And good luck to you out there.